Good morning children. This is Sita. Welcome to 7th class IIT Chemistry class. Children, previous class we have learnt about atomic size or atomic radii. First property over. Atomic radii and atomic size. What is definition of atomic radii? The distance between the nucleus to outermost shell is known as atomic radii. Atomic radii expresses some units and atomic radii classified some types: covalent radii, van der Waals radii and metallic radii. Next, atomic radii, various in periods and groups. After that, we have learnt about ionic radii. What is ionic radii? The distance between the nucleus to cation or anion. Cation or anion. Cation means positive charged ions, anion means negative charged ions. Next, cation having less ionic radii than parent ion, anion having more ionic radii than parent ion. Next, what is isoelectronic species? Same number atom or ions contain same number of electrons is known as isoelectronic species. Next, we have discussed meters value. We know 1 nanometer equals to 10 power of minus 9 meters. 1 angstrom unit are equal to 10 power of minus 10 meters, and 1 picometer are equals to 10 power minus 12 meters. Next, meters convert to centimeters. Okay, Nana. Next, first property over, ionic radii over. Second property, ionization energy. Ionization energy. Some energy. That energy is known as ionization energy. The minimum amount of energy required. Remove valence electron of an isolated neutral gaseous element. For example, sodium atomic number 11. Electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. Okay. Here sodium atom, don't need this one, don't write. First listen. Sodium, this is sodium atom. Sodium atom contain how many cells? This one first shell, second shell, last shell. How many cells we have now? 3 cells. How many cells? 3 cells. Here how many electrons is there? 2 electrons. Here how many electrons? 2. How many electrons? 2. 6 electrons. Here first shell having 2 electrons only. Second shell having how many electrons? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 2 plus 6, 8. Last shell having 1 electron. This is sodium atom. Sodium atom contain nucleus. This is cell, first shell, first shell, second shell, third shell. Last shell. So first shell having 2 electrons, second shell having 8 electrons, last shell having 1 electron. Ionization energy means the minimum amount of energy required to remove of valence electron. Valence electron means 3s1. This is valence electron. To remove in a isolated neutral gaseous atom, the remove of valence electron, to remove of the minimum amount of energy required to remove of valence electron. Valence shell electron. This electron remove, but you need some energy. That energy is known as ionization energy. Do you understand, Nana? The minimum amount of energy required to remove of valence electron of an isolated neutral gaseous atom is known as ionization energy. Do you understood? The valence electron remove. This is last shell. So if you remove this electron to get positive charge, now you use 1 electron to get positive charge. So if you remove electron, some amount of energy required. If you use some energy, that energy is known as ionization energy. See, Nana, correct definition. The minimum amount of energy required to remove of electron of an isolated neutral gaseous atom. Okay, that is known as ionization energy. To remove of valence electron to require some amount of energy is known as ionization energy. See Nana, the minimum amount of energy. The minimum amount of energy required. Definition: the minimum amount of energy. Minimum amount of energy. The minimum amount of energy required. Energy required. Energy required. Energy required to remove an electron. To remove an electron. To remove an electron of an isolated neutral gaseous element. Electron from the valence shell. Electron, sorry, Nana, from the valence shell. From the valence shell means last shell. Valence shell. The minimum amount of energy required to remove an electron from the valence shell. Valence shell of an isolated neutral gaseous atom. Neutral gaseous atom is known as the definition of finalized energy. The minimum amount of energy required to remove an electron from the valence shell. The removal of electron from the valence shell of an isolated neutral gaseous atom. Best example, sodium. If sodium one atom to remove one electron, here some energy required. That energy is known as ionization energy. So ionization energy represented by IE. Ionization energy represented by ionization energy represented IE. Ionization energy represented IE. Okay, Nana. For example, see Nana. First, the ionization energy required to remove the first electron. For example, if you take metal, to remove one electron from valence shell, to remove the first electron from valence shell, to remove one electron, to get positive charge. Say yes or no. With metal content, for example, sodium, if you lose one electron to get positive charge. Here metal, to lose one electron to get positive. M means metal. So to remove the minimum amount of energy required to remove an electron from the valence shell. The first electron removed from the valence shell, here some amount of energy required. That energy is known as first ionization energy. First ionization energy means thermal energy. First ionization energy means IE1. This is first ionization energy. First ionization energy. First ionization energy. If you remove a first electron, it is known as first ionization energy. Do you understand, Nana? The ionization energy is required to remove the first electron. The ionization energy required to remove the first electron. This energy is known as first ionization energy. First electron removed, this energy is known as first ionization energy. To remove the electron, to require some amount of energy. That energy is called as first ionization energy. For example, here one boy is there. For example, one chair is there. If you keep this place to next place, some amount of energy required or not? Touch that side. If you take and keep that side, so some required some energy or not? That energy is known as ionization energy. To remove one electron, to require some amount of energy. That energy is known as ionization energy. Okay, Nana? So if you take metal, first electron remove. If the minimum amount amount of energy required to the first electron. This energy is known as first ionization energy. Next metal. So if you take this metal, first electron, next if you add next another electron. So to get 2 electrons, 2 plus. Here some energy required. This energy is known as second ionization energy. IE1 first ionization energy, IE2 mean second ionization energy. Next electron remove 2 plus. Next electron remove, third electron remove. This energy is known as third ionization energy. This energy delta E. Delta E thermal energy, that equals to IE3. This is first ionization energy, this is second ionization energy, this is third ionization energy. The ionization energy required to remove first electron from the neutral gases atom. If you remove first electron, that energy is known as first ionization energy. If remove second electron, this energy is known as second ionization energy. If you remove third electron, this energy is known as third ionization energy. Do you understood, Nana? To remove electron from valence shell, some amount of energy required. This energy is known as ionization energy. That energy is known as ionization energy. Ionization energy are 3 types: first ionization energy, second ionization energy, third ionization energy. The removal of electron from valence shell. The first electron removed from valence shell, that energy is known as first ionization energy. Okay. Next, to remove of second electron, that energy is known as second ionization energy. To require third energy, that third electron, to remove of third electron from valence shell, this energy is known as third ionization energy. Do you understood, Nana? Ionization energy represented IE. The minimum amount of energy required to remove an electron from the valence shell of an isolated neutral gases atom. To remove a first electron, that some energy required. That energy is known as first ionization energy. Next, to remove of second electron, that time required some energy. That energy is known as second ionization energy. To remove of third electron, that time some energy required. That energy is known as third ionization energy. Which one more ionization energy? 3 electron. Third electron remove to require more energy. Why? Because so here third electron, here first electron if you remove easy, second electron somewhat difficult, third electron very difficult. Here if you use less energy, next some little more energy, next more energy. So the energy order of ionization energy, IE3 is greater than IE2 is greater than IE3. First electron removes some more amount of energy required compared to second and compared to third. Which one having more ionization energy? The removal of third electron to require more amount of energy. Do you understand, Nana? The minimum amount of energy required. The minimum amount energy required to remove an electron from the valence shell of an isolated neutral gases atom. Neutral gases atom. So first we have the metal. If we remove first electron to require some amount of energy, that energy is known as first ionization energy. Next, removal from the valence shell, removal of second electron requires some energy. That energy is known as second ionization energy. Next, to remove of third electron, this time also requires some energy. That energy is known as third ionization energy. So more amount of energy required to third electron. Which one having more ionization energy? To remove of third electron to require more amount of energy. To remove of first electron to require less amount of energy. To remove of second electron to medium amount of energy required. Okay, more energy required to remove of third electron. To remove of third electron to require more amount of energy than second, next, first. Okay, Nana, do you understood? What is definition? The minimum amount of energy required. The minimum amount of energy required to remove an electron from the valence shell of an isolated neutral gases atom. This one metal. If you remove first electron to get +1 charge. Next, this atom if we take this atom. the minimum energy required to remove a first valence electron, that is the required energy, first ionization energy. To remove a second electron, this energy is known as second ionization energy. Next, if you remove a third electron, the required some energy, that energy is known as third ionization energy. Which one having more? Third ionization energy is more. Why? Because here required more amount of energy. Why? Because the removal of third electron. That's why somewhat difficult. Okay, Nana? Do you understood? Next, units of ionization energy. Units of ionization energy. Ionization energy expressed in kilocalorie per gram atom. Ionization energy expressed in kilocalorie per gram atom. Units amma. Next, kilojoule per gram atom. Second unit. R. Next, kilojoule per mole. Electron volt per atom. Units. Energy value are expressed in ionization energy value of expressed in ionization energy values are expressed in ionization energy value expressed in kilocalorie per gram atom, kilojoule per gram atom, or kilojoule per mole, or electron volts per atom. So expressed units kilocalorie or gram atom, or kilojoule per gram atom, or kilojoule per mole, or electron volts per atom. Those are the units. Ionization energy expressed in kilocalorie per gram atom, or kilojoule per gram atom, or kilojoule per mole, or next electron volts per atom. So those are the units of ionization energy. Next, 1 electron volt per atom. 23.06 kilocalorie per mole. Kilocalorie per moles. Okay. 1 electron volt per atom value 23.06 kilocalorie per mole value. Kilocalorie per mole. Keep in your mind, 1 electron volt per atom value 23.06 kilocalorie per mole, and kilojoules for another one value is there 96.39 kilojoule per mole. Two values is there, Nana. 1 electron volt per mole value, 1 electron volt per atom value 23.06 kilocalorie per mole, or 96.39 kilojoule per mole. Keep in your mind these values. Last listen, Nana. What is definition of ionization energy? What is definition of ionization energy? The minimum amount of energy required to remove of valence electron of an isolated neutral gases atom is known as ionization energy. Ionization energy expressed in IE. Ionization energy represented in IE. So, if you take metal to remove a first electron, some amount of energy required. That energy is known as first ionization energy. To remove a second electron, that time some amount of energy required. That energy is known as second ionization energy. To remove a third electron, to require some energy. That energy is known as third ionization energy. Okay, Nana? So, which one having more? To remove a third electron, to require more amount of energy. So, reactivity order of ionization energy, IE3 is greater than, IE2 is greater than IE1, or IE1 is less than, or IE2 is less than Ye3. Which one having more energy? Third ionization energy having required more energy. Third ionization energy more compared to second ionization and compared to first ionization energy. So which one having more ionization energy? Third ionization energy more. Why? Because to require more amount of energy. We understood, Nana? All of you read properly definition and first ionization energy, second, third, next units. Ionization energy expresses some units. Kilo first unit, kilocalorie per gram atom, or kilojoule per gram atom, or kilojoule per mole, or electron volt per atom. Okay, 1 electron volt per atom equals to value 23.06 kilocalorie per mole. Another value, kilojoule per mole value 96.39 kilojoule per mole. Okay, Nana? All of you learn definition and units value. Ionization energy is first, second, third. Thank you. See you next class.